Okay, so let's start. So yesterday we start a new topic, that is a hyperlinks. What is the meaning of hyperlink? Whenever you click on some of the text, image or the video, it will be redirected to you on the another page. For that you have to use the anchor tag, a tag. There are the two attributes, href, for, and there are the three types of hyperlinks in the HTML. First is the external link. External link means whenever you create a link, it will be open a new web page. Not on the same web page, it will be show the output. It will be redirected to the another web page whenever you click on the link. You can use as a link as any HTML file, any document, any image, text, etc. You can use anything for the link. Next, we also learn the image link also. Now we are going to learn next one, that is the internal link. What is the meaning of internal link? It's links to another section in the same web page. आपको उसी वेब पेज में रीडायरेक्ट करेगा. जैसे आप टॉप पे हो वेब पेज पे और आपने कोई टेक्स्ट लिखा है जिसको आपको फाइंड करना है. Whenever you click on the link, it will be go to the bottom of that text. You are on the top of your web page and your link is at the top of bottom of the web page. Whenever you click on the top of the link, it will be go directly down of your web page and show your output. The internal link means it will be not open any other web page. It will be redirected to the same web page. This is a one this is a one example. Remember students, whenever you are doing internal links, now that purpose you have to use the two a tags in your same web page. आपको दो a tags के use करने पड़ेंगे. In the internal link, sorry, in the external link, you have to be use the attribute href. In the external and the image link, you have to be use href attribute of anchor tag. But in the internal link, you have to be use the name and href for both different tags. Both different a tag. For first one, you have to use the name attribute. For the second one, you have to use the href. Don't be confused for that. For you have to use in the internal link, you have to use the two tags which are connected with each other. Anchor tag means a tag. First, in the first anchor tag, you have to use the name attribute, and in the second anchor tag, you have to be use the href, means which is linked to the first one. You can see here an example of that. A name equals to section. This is the beginning of section 1. Close A. Why we use it? This is used to name or bookmark a section. Second, A href equals to, in the double quote, hash section. Here there is a compulsory that you have to be use the hash tag. If you are not using here a hash symbol, you are not able to see your link in your web page. Go to section 1. This is links to name the bookmark section. Whenever you see the output, whenever you see the practical, you are able to understand what I want to say. Why we use it? It is used to create a link between the different section of the same web page. There are two different paragraphs. If you want to connect them with each other, then you have to use the internal link. Here you can see an explanation. For example, here is written part P, part Q. Whenever you click on the part P, it will be redirected on this section, जहाँ पे part P आपने लिखा होगा. And on the part Q, whenever you click on the part Q, it will be redirected on the part Q of the web page. Please assume that this is one of the web page. Whenever you click on the part P, it will be redirected to the bottom, that where you enter your section. But let's see the demo for it. So it will be It will be easy for you to understand. I already create a structure of HTML with the heading internal hyperlinks. Now, what should you have to do? Start writing. First, I am taking the heading H1 and taking also a U and center also. And write the name internal links. Now close, center, close U and close. And close the H1 lastly. Remember, student, first open, last close. First open tag, last it will be closed. Save. First, I want to show you the output of it. Then we will be go ahead. Okay, so I'm right here, so you can see the output. Now, we are going to use the first internal link. For example, here you have to use the first A tag. If you want to write here capital, you can, otherwise you can also write the small a. Small a, first attribute name equals to, taking a demo, section 1. You can write down your choice name. सब कुछ स्मॉल में लिखना है, स्मॉल में लिखो, कैपिटल लिखना है, कैपिटल लिखो, लेकिन कैसे लिखा है वो याद रखो. If you are not remember that, you cannot get that output. Now, close it and write down a name. For example, I am writing here section 1 and close the A tag. Enter. I'm saving it. Show you the output once. F5, you can see here the section 1. It's not now a hyperlink. Just want to show you. It will be came like this. Okay. Move back to the first one. Now, for example, I am right here a text. Simple, I am copy the text from the internet, from the Google. For example, about animals. As I don't want to waste any time, so I'm picking it. Directly copy. You can write here by yourself. I'm copying the text. Now it's time for the taking the second tag. I'm taking it a tag. Okay. HREF. Sorry for the name. Here I have to write the HR A name equals to, write down the same name that you write here.
your screen is stucking.
That is a confusing, but you have to remember the section 1. Close the tab.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your screen is sticking.
Sticky.
Stucking, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is
Is
stucking.
it for everyone?
Yes, sir.
For everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please wait, it will begin. Close A and paste your paragraph.
Ma'am, can you go up?
Wait, I'm just rearranging it as I want to show everything to you. I'm zooming the notepad now, that's why all will be not came in a one page. Okay. So first I'm using the AHREF hash section 1 and write down the name section 1, or you can choose your name. But which link you want to be displayed. I'm right here section 4, for example. I will be change it literally. And now I have to change close the P tag also that I'm starting. I will be closed it on here. You have to be right. Okay. I'm using the P tag here. I want to close it. Opening P and closing P. And save it. I am going to show you it. With one internal link, you are not able to understand. We will be take another one, but firstly, I am going to show you what will be displayed to you. F5, and it's a section V is converted to the hyperlink. You can see here. Now, in between of this, I'm using the P tags as I want to show the different part of it. It will be make a one paragraph. Okay. Down.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you tell which link did you type for this paragraph?
Sorry, which link?
Ma'am, what did you type for this paragraph?
I'm not typing anything. I just copied it. I'm not typing. Just copy from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
internet.
Ma'am, what was the what did you type the name there in the link?
Animals.
Okay, ma'am.
File, and you can see that it will be converted to the different paragraphs. Right. Now, whenever I click on the section view, it will be show me this one. But I'm using the second internal link for your correct output. Okay. Here I'm using again a p tag as I want to take it down. A href equals to hash section 2. Write down the name, animals. Whenever I click on this link, I have to be redirected on the this one, most living animals. I have to be redirected on this one paragraph. You can see now, most living animals spaces, that one. So again, I'm using here a second one, second anchor tag equals to double quote SEC 2 double quote and close the A tag. Now saved it and show you what will be the difference. Refresh it. You can see the two links are added here. Whenever I click on the section 1, it will be show me the paragraph, this one, from animals to zoology. Whenever I click on the animals, it will be go down and displayed me from the most living animals. Why it will be displayed from the animals? Because we have the paragraph till here. हमारे पास इतना ही paragraph है, हमारा web page यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है. Let's add one more so you are able to understand. I'm doing the one thing. I'm adding more paragraphs so you will be able to understand. Whenever we go down, what will be happen? Just added the paragraph, one more paragraph, so you will be easily understood it. Control C. Putting a paragraph. Control V. Okay. Here I am ending the first paragraph. From humans, I am adding the second paragraph. And the paragraph before the body tag. And show you the output. F5. Okay, I'm click on the section 1, so it will be redirected from animals. Whenever I again go to the top, you can see it will be not open the second web page. It will be redirected to the bottom of the web page. Now I'm clicking on the animals, so you can see here it will be came from the most living animals, right?
Ma'am, can you click on
Huh?
can you click on section 1?
Okay. I'm clicking on section 1 from starting. Whenever you click of starting of the web page, it will be redirected to the section 1. आपका जो starting web page होगा वो section 1 display करेगा. Now I am adding the third one. From here, from many modern animals, third hyperlink. Okay, first I have to be at the top, AHREF. I'm using here P tag as because I want to display it as a paragraph. If you don't want to use the P tag in place of P, you can use the BR tag to take your links bottom. A HREF equals to, I'm taking the different name. It's not necessary that you can take only this name. For example, animals. Closing it and write down here a section. Three. Close the airtel. Close the P tag also. Now taking bottom, and I am adding here section 3. So you can see changes on the over 1.5 millions. Between section 1 and 2, I am adding the link animals A, name, equals to, in the double quote, you have to write down the name of link, close it, and close the A tag also. Save it. For the first section 1, animals will be displayed. This means this paragraph will be displayed on the top. For the second, animals means a section 3. I'm using here a comments so you will be easily understood it. For section 3, this is for section 1. I'm using here a comment because it's easy for you to understand. If you don't want to use it, just leave it. And this is for section 2. Close it. I'm hoping that you don't forget the comment tag. Student, please wait a moment. Okay, so, let's see an output. F5. You can see here, third link will be added here. Whenever I click on the section 1, animals will be came on the top. Whenever I click on the animals, the scientific will be came on the top. Again, I'm going to the section 3. Whenever you click on the section 3, the over 1.5 million will be came on the top. Means it will be redirected to you that your content is on the bottom. Like that. Okay, so this is the internal link. Now, so I'm just thinking that some of the students are confused. If you have a query, you can ask me for internal links.
Ma'am, can you open output input?
Input, okay. In input that I am adding the lots of paragraphs, so you are not able to see the correct code. So I will be share it in the group. Open it with the any text editor. You will be easily show the your input.
Can you go down, ma'am?
Sorry.
Can you go down?
Paragraph down again. Done here. This is the topic of hyperlink. Students, if you have a query in the hyperlink, you can ask me. Because next topic is the too long, so I will not start it today. We need a minimum 30 to 40 minutes to complete that topic. And once I will start, it will not end it. Yes?
Ma'am, when will this chapter finish?
On the next topic, it will be finished. And
Okay,
remember,
and
after finishing of this chapter, there will be your practical exam for this one.
ma'am, but when practical test?
I will be informed you. But one thing more you have to remember, all the students have to compulsory give the practical exam, as HTML we can perform in the mobile phone also. Who have a computer also, who don't have a computer also. All the persons have to compulsory give the practical exam for the HTML. Because it's accessed on the mobile phone also.
Notepad in mobile we download.
Yes?
When we download Notepad in mobile.
Yes, you can download in the mobile phone. Search on the Play Store once HTML coding, so you are able to download. Last year किया था बहुत सारे students ने. You can also contact them. यथार्थ ने किया था, I think मुझे याद है तब तक तो. मैंने उसका output देखा था.
Yes.
You can contact Yatharth. Okay, so this is the internal link. So 3 links are there: external, image link, and the internal link. External and the image link are redirected to the another web page, but internal link is redirected to the same web page. So this is the difference between these links. So now if you have a query in the hyperlinks, you can ask me. Because on the next class, there is the last topic of the chapter. Anyone?
No, ma'am, no query.
No, ma'am.
Very much.
So here we are going to end. Please wait.